Here's a small mixed parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, bit of Koroit and some other material from I don't know where. Rules and millimetres, and the tool's been wetted to help show the colours / patterns. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. Like I said, these are offcuts. Pattern of Koroit there. The colour up here. These pieces I'm just showing are all Koroit. This piece has got a nice pattern, coloured pattern in the middle there, but not much colour. This piece holds a bit of promise up here on the top. Bit of colour on here. So, like I keep saying all the time, grind the outside down first. Piece of Koroit with an eye. There. It's the outside. Some of these are just nice pattern pieces of stone. It's got a bit nicer, a bit better colour in here. I threw these in because they just had nice patterns, no colour. Use it for backing, making a doublet perhaps. Anyway, I think that's pretty well all of it. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.